and this is
Dominic.
And today we are going to put our plants in these plants containers.
Alright.
Like ice cream.
Can I see your pink shovel, Diana? Let me see what kind of shovel you have there. Yes. So Diana, today we're going to discuss about the crucifixion. You know the crucifixion, Diana?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell us about the crucifixion?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
So the crucifixions, the crowd said that they wanted Jesus to be crucified.
Mm-hmm.
And they crucified him. They put a thorn crown on him.
Mm-hmm.
And they made him carry his own cross, but he couldn't, so they made another person carry it. And then they asked for the Plot Commission if they can do something to the body. And then they covered it with the thing, and then they put it in a stone, a tomb, and they covered it with a rock. And then they opened it, and they saw Jesus' body wasn't there. And then they cried. And then two angels sitting there and said, "Why are you weeping? They took my Jesus away."
You said there were two angels sitting where?
In the tomb.
Okay. All right, Dominic. Dominic, can you explain for us? Can you tell me about the resurrection?
So basically, after 3 days of being dead, they had checked to see where Jesus. They had tried to go into the tomb.
Mm-hmm.
They had tried to go into the tomb, but Jesus' body wasn't there. So they thought the body was stolen.
Mm-hmm.
But then when Mary came, she saw that there were two people inside of the tomb.
Mm-hmm.
And when she talked to them,
Mm-hmm.
they basically told her that Jesus was still alive. And then while Mary kept crying because she didn't really understand, Jesus appeared behind her and told her to tell everyone that she has seen him.
Alright. And when she appeared, who were the people that were at the tomb at that time?
8.
Huh? The angels and Jesus.
Don't forget to like and
Subscribe for more faith-based content.